Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm here to do a video regarding a Tesla wall connector. I've been using regular mobile charger which I got when I bought the car. It takes at least 8 hours to fully charge it because I was using with NEMA 1450 50 amp outlet. So it took me almost 8 hours to fully charge, but I never let it go all the way down. So I usually charge it every night for like 3 hours. But the problem is when there's like voltage fluctuating, let's say if you turn on your microwave and stuff like that, when the voltage fluctuates, it kind of stop working and then it will wait till to restart it. So it kind of bothered me also, when if we want to go somewhere, if you are planning for a long trip and stuff like that, I used to go to supercharger, stay there for an hour and a half to get it fully charged. So I thought, why not get a wall connector? I wanted to get it. I was gonna wait for my Tesla referral cash to come in. But anyway, my sales rep of solar, not for the car, but for the solar, was nice enough to send me a cool, Tesla wall connector, which costs $500. He got promoted to promoted to I think assistant not sales, assistant manager. So I guess because of his performance, and I was a good customer, and I got a couple of people customers for him. So I guess he's nice enough to send me a Tesla wall connector, which I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna do an open box for now, and then later I'm gonna do another video of how to install. There's an electrician coming later this afternoon, and he's gonna I'm gonna show you how to how to install it and stuff like that. So let me show you the wall connector which I got. I'm so excited to install it. Let me show you that. Okay, here you go. Look at this cool stuff. I thought it was gonna be a small box, but no, it's a really big box, and it is very heavy too. So it's about, I would say, 20 pounds, not 20, maybe 15 to 20 pounds, and I'm gonna show you. So this one is a brand new box, unopened. Well, you can see nice Tesla wall connector. All right, there's seals here, and there's some numbers here, which is something anyway. So I'm gonna open this for you, okay? Let me do that. Okay. Scissors to cut it. Okay. I don't like to destroy stuff, so I like to open it slowly. There you go, nicely packed. Nice foam cushion. Wow, they have boxes. They spend a lot of money on packing, I guess. Look like, okay. So this one, I hope you can see. This is the wall connector. This one is wall connector, single phase wall insulation manual. All right, which I don't think we need it. This one is what? Cap and screw plug, when you install it. Have some screws. Actually, it comes with the bit to install it. Actually, it's a bit. Or there's some special screws. So I guess you need this bit to install the special screw. All right. This is it's called support bracket. That's in there. This one is called spacer pot. Okay, let's open this up. Two tapes. that's the spacer thing. I guess you put you attach it, you know, you drill it in, and you cut it. This is pretty big copper wire. Wow, this is huge. Okay, so that's that. Some silicons. This is the edges. Let me see. I don't want to break it, so I'll put it like that. Okay. Zip ties attached, which I can show you. There's zip ties here. You're gonna cut it. Another zip tie. Another boom. Up. So let me take out the let me put this thing. Okay. Ta-da-ta-da! Tesla wall connector. Side has some information, some serial number, and all other information regarding, you know, I guess reset button. I think you slide it in to lock it, and there's some screws on the side. Again, let me show you the charging port. Same charging thing which you get, but you know the wire is pretty thick than what I have. It's almost 3 times thicker than what I have. So let me just show you. This goes in here like that, right? So this one is the wall charger, and you put the cable around it, which I'll show you everything later. So this is it. This is Tesla wall connector. All right, and wait for the next video. I'm going to show you the installation. I'm going to show you how this thing works. Okay, so this thing can go up to 80 amp charge, which is almost more than double than what I get, because even with the NEMA 50 amp charger, I only get up to 32 amp because I'm using a new generation charging. The previous one you could get it up to 40 amp. The one I get is 32, so this one, if I get it up to 80 amp, which is not 80 amp, I mean, also what, 70 amps is almost double, more than double, so I can cut down the timing half. So that's what I'm looking for. And thanks for watching. Subscribe, and always share my video if you like it. If you like to share with your friends and family, if it's informative for them too. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.